What's up guys, so in this video we will be making a ragdoll system. Anyways, oh yeah, that's weird. Without further ado, let's go. So what I did quickly, I went to my regular, the mesh thing, and I just changed it to ragdoll, okay? Make sure you do that quickly. And then you can choose any button you like here and put any button, even W, E, whatever you like. And then you're gonna drag out set simulate physics and then make sure it's with the mesh, your character, and then press yes for simulate. One other thing I'm gonna quickly do is I'm gonna put this in the mesh, okay? So that works better. Okay, also, so if you ragdoll, it stays with the character. Okay, so make sure that's how you do it. And oh, what the hell is happening here? I don't know. Don't question me. I definitely don't know. One thing you might want to do is when they ragdoll is also that set simulate physics and then set input. No, wait. Oh, sorry. Input. Remove input? I forgot what it's called. Literally. Disable input, sorry. Disable input. And just compile and save. And then, if you press R, you can't do anything. But an easier way to do it is just go and then set is in nope, not this. No, that's how you do it. Just disable movement. I'm just gonna do because it's way better, and you can actually move your your camera. Like, look, there you go. So you can actually move the camera, but you can't actually move. So that's how you make a ragdoll system in Unreal Engine 5. And I guess please, oh yeah, by the way, please like and subscribe so I can get more videos done. Without further ado, bye bye.